We'll see tomorrow. Okay, so 2:30 like that. So later we will change the time. That's okay. Okay, so we'll first of all we'll see the commands we use in the networking. So everybody knows ping command, right? So ping is one important command. Okay, so we are using. What is this ping command? So actually, as per the arrangement, different places I written. Okay, so where I written about a ping command, different places. 1 second. Lot of commands we use. There it is. Ping. Normally, the abbreviation of ping is packet internet grouper. Ping abbreviation. Okay, not like this. Network related command. So ping abbreviation in networking. Abbreviations. Packet internet grouper is a basic internet program that allow user to test and verify if a particular destination IP address exists and can accept request in a computer network administration. Acronym as contrived to match the submarines term sounds some sonar pulse. Yeah. Point is the ping is not came from the packet internet grouper. Packet internet or inter-network groper. Ping is not came from that one. Ping word came from ping pong. Ping pong means it's, there is a table tennis ball. Ping pong ball is there. No? It is a ping pong. Means you are pinging. Other side it is you pinging means you are sending, and from other side again it is you are receiving. This type of mechanism is also called as echo. I can add this thing also better. See, it is packet internet grouper. So what is the ping command? Ping command use the protocol called ICMP protocol. Ping works based on echo mechanism. Okay, ping works based on echo mechanism. Means, for example, there is a PCA. Send a echo request to PCB. PCB received and reply to PCA with a echo response. Okay, so what is the use of this ping? To test the network, to test the connectivity between the devices. So you have two computers, you are pinging from one PC to another PC. Meaning is um, both PCs are able to communicate each other. Both PCs are able to communicate each other. So that is called a ping. Ping is to test connectivity between the devices. Next, for example, you are pinging. Either you pinging to Google, ping to google.com, or you can use like this, ping 192.168.1.115. Anybody can use this 15. Like you are pinging to IP address or you are pinging to a name. Important is what we are getting as a outcome. For example, I'm pinging to www.google.com. It is I'm getting reply from google.com's IP address. Already I told DNS. DNS means I have a name, but with a name you can't able to communicate. You will communicate with the IP address only. So I have a name, but I got a IP address from DNS server. My DNS server given this one. reply from. Reply from destination means good, successful. Also you can see sent for, receive for, lost 0 means it is successful. Successful. Good. You can say good. If in case you got a destination host not reachable. In case when you are pinging, you are getting destination host not reachable. How to check IP address? IP config, right? Simple way it is IP config. So that is my IP address. So I have to give ping to 192.168.1.1. So I'm getting reply from remote. So this is my default gateway. I'm pinging to default gateway, whether I'm communicating to my router or not. So this is a very neat one. So it is I'm trying to ping to 1.55. 1.155. The host is not there. So what is it is showing? Destination host not reachable. What it is showing? Destination host not reachable. So this is my IP address 1.29. So you are seeing reply from 1.29 only, not from destination. Reply from my PC only, and it is telling destination host not reachable. What is the meaning, guys? What is this meaning? Either this 155 PC is not available. Device is not available. Device is not there. Maybe I enter a IP address wrongly. Maybe I enter a IP address instead of 115. Maybe I put a 150, 155. Try. Maybe it won't be there, but don't worry. Okay. So instead of one IP address, I given a wrong IP address. Possible, right? There is a possibility of wrong IP address. So then check the IP address. Check the connection. Make sure that is device is available. Okay. No device available or device is available or not. Either this IP address is wrong, or device is not available, or connection is down. In 3 cases, you will get a destination host not reachable. Third one is request timed out. Request timed out. And to try to ping to some IP address which is look like a public IP. Definitely not a private IP, public IP. Are you getting a request timed out? There is a possibility of this IP address can be there in this world, but I cannot able to reach. So when you are pinging, so don't worry about what is this IP address. Only look at this output. Okay, you are getting sent for, receive 0, lost for, 100% loss. 100% loss. Guys, this is 0% loss. Look like a successful, but wrong. It is showing destination host not reachable. It is showing like this. See it is. You can look at here. See it is. It's a good output. See, look here. You can see that output. You will understand. Is it is not a good one. It is bad one. Wrong. Error. This is also wrong. Error. Request timed out. Request timed out you are getting. It means it is taking lot of time to reach the destination, or maybe IP address wrong. Possible IP address wrong because your router is trying to push to search the particular IP address, but IP address is wrong. Possible. Check the IP address. Check the connections. Check the device availabilities. Check the device availabilities. And more importantly, there is a firewall also there. There is a firewall. So when you are communicating one PC to another PC. Both are in the same physical network, same logical network. IP address both side is correct. Both are in the same network IP address. Okay. First three portions are same. Last portion is only different. Everything is good. Physical connectivity is good. The IP address is good. But still you are getting request timed out. See the guys, every outcome you have to cross verifications are there. Okay, you have to check the IP address of both the PCs, correct or wrong. Both are in the same network, physical network and logical network. Yes, both are in the same logical network. Okay, connection is good. Device is there. Everything is fine. So then there can be a problem with your firewalls. What is this firewall? Every PC by default built-in firewall is there. Okay, there is a built-in firewall is there. So I will go to control panel, or you can go to network and sharing center kind of stuff, or you can, yeah, sorry. Okay, see here it is. There is a public network. See, this is a firewall is enabled. Turn on firewall defender. What is the use of firewall defender? This is also a point here. So whenever someone is trying to send a packet on their own, just always remember firewall, NAT pat techniques. Okay, always work like this. You are sending a packet to the destination. So you can able to send it. So that's generally, in general, once you are once you are sent, you send a request. You send a request. Okay, good. Then this person also will send a reply, means reply or a response. Okay, response, right? Now, no problem. No problem. For example, someone, for example, from your PC, you are trying to send a request to me, some ping request, or maybe a web request, something. You try to send a request to me. You cannot. There's a lot of reasons. Private IP addresses, public IP addresses, internet kind of stuff. But whatever it is, guys, what is this firewall will do it? So try to understand the firewall is. This is the imaginary firewall, which is in our PCs software wise. Hardware firewall is also there, but simple system firewall is okay. People or anyone is trying to send a packet to you directly without your request. This firewall will block. Ping is also like that, right? So ping is coming from outside to inside. I have a PC here. I am sending a ping request directly to your PC. Okay. So what happened? It is drop here only. You cannot able to forward to your PC. Actually, it is this firewall is built inside your PC, right? Firewall is built inside your PC, works on your network adapter. So when someone is trying to come inside, then what it is do? It's not allow that packet. So again, you have to allow that protocol or a packet or a source and destination point. There is a possibility of firewall. Never disable your firewall until unless you are in your own private network. So there is a private and public profiles. Firewall, private and public profile. Private means your office, your home, generally private. Public means you went to the coffee day, general coffee day, Gumasta, whatever it is, I don't know those names. Some hotels, restaurants, coffee shops, some coffee shops. So whenever you go there and you can also take the Wi-Fi thing, because some people go and have a coffee while they are working, or some they eat some cake and coffee. Well, they're also doing work. Work is not should not be stopped, right? So they'll connect it to internet through their public IP, public networks. So anyone can able to connect this, and we can't trust who is able to connect it to it. Like railway stations. Railway stations, anybody can able to connect it just with their phone number and IP password, right? So they will get a Wi-Fi connectivity. But that is very open place. So easy to attacks, easy to attacks. You are in the same network. You and your attacker are in the same logical network, same physical and logical network. It is very easy to attack. So if you are getting a reply from destination IP address, it is good. If you are getting a destination host unreachable, so check the IP address. Network connectivity, network logical address means network and host portions, connections, device availability also. Same for a request time dot, you are getting a request item, check the IP address for your PC IP address, destination PC IP address, connectivities, router switches, thing kind of stuff, device availability, and also better to check the firewall. Is your firewall is blocking? So this is called a story of ping. ICMP protocol echo mechanism. Ping is used to test the connectivity. These are all commands only, guys. We will discuss remaining tomorrow, but because it's a 4:30, you can say bye bye. Tomorrow we'll meet. I will discuss other things. Sandeep Kumar is also came.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. Thank you, guys. Just join to Madam class. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.